Woo! Hey, pull it over. Pull that Chevrolet over. Yep, we're back with another beauty. Red and black. 327. Oh, here's a different sticker. Look all you want, but please do not touch. A nice reminder and a lead into, unless you're asked, don't touch the vehicles. People put a lot of time, love, and effort into restoring every single one of these vehicles. You've seen some of the pictures that people have taken that I've showed you. What would you do? Come on, serious. You know it. Put yourself in their shoes. Keep these beauties looking beautiful. Hardly any blemish whatsoever on any of them. You see a couple here on this one. Let me know if you see them. And anything else that you want to know, put it down in the comment section. Anything you want me to view, put it down in the comment section. If you got an old car, put it down in the comment section. Comment. Communication. That's what Willis Talk is all about. If you want to know it, you want to see it, you want to hear it, you want to find out about it, come on, give me the leads and I'll go investigate. This is Willis signing off.